Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Alex, and this is another episode in our Cloud Computing Fundamentals series. In today's video, we're diving into something super important: how businesses handle massive traffic spikes without crashing. Especially during big events like Black Friday. We'll explore one of the most powerful platforms behind it all, Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS, and see how it helps companies scale, stay secure, and only pay for what they use. Make sure you stick around till the end for a quick quiz and some awesome insights. And hey, before we get started, don't forget to like this video, thumbs up emoji, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon, bell emoji, so you never miss any updates on the latest tech trends. Let's jump right in, rocket emoji. Rob's vision takes shape as he considers the potential of personalized marketing strategies, harnessing the data gathered through AWS tools. He imagines crafting unique campaigns that resonate deeply with individual customer preferences, targeting them at just the right moment in their buyer journey. The thought of utilizing algorithms to predict purchasing behavior excites him, as it aligns perfectly with his goal of enhancing customer engagement. Additionally, Rob reflects on the wealth of opportunities presented by integrating feedback loops into his operations, allowing real-time adjustments to be made in response to consumer reactions. By establishing these systems, he envisages a dynamic marketplace adaptation that will keep his offerings fresh and relevant. Outside of these technological enhancements, he contemplates the significance of human connection in his branding. To create a narrative that resonates, he believes storytelling will play a pivotal role, connecting with customers on an emotional level. Sharing authentic stories behind his products can foster loyalty and create brand advocates. As his plans unfold, Rob realizes that community-building initiatives will set his brand apart, creating a shared space where customers feel valued and involved. From hosting events that showcase their journeys to encouraging user-generated content, he explores ways to elevate customer voices within his brand strategy. As Rob cultivates this multifaceted approach, he is aware that the essence of community is embedded in trust and transparency, leading him to prioritize ethical practices across his supply chain. This focus on integrity not only strengthens his brand image but cultivates a deep, lasting relationship with his audience. Rob's experimentation with different strategies continuously informs his understanding of consumer behavior, solidifying his commitment to adapt and evolve. He knows that with each lesson learned, he's better equipped to navigate the complexities of the marketplace, positioning his e-commerce venture as a proactive leader in innovation. Energized by the possibilities, Rob is keen to implement these strategies effectively, ensuring his brand thrives in tune with customer expectations and industry advancements. With each step forward, he strengthens his resolve to challenge traditional norms, leading his enterprise into an exciting era of digital commerce. As he visualizes a path paved with resilience and creativity, Rob looks ahead, ready to embrace the journey ahead with open arms and unwavering determination. This thrilling adventure will not just be about growth but transforming how customers connect with brands, and Rob is more than ready for this challenge. As Rob lays the groundwork for his future innovations, he recognizes the importance of upskilling his team to ensure everyone is equipped to leverage the new tools and strategies effectively. He envisions training sessions that foster not only technical skills but also creativity and collaborative problem solving. Encouraging his team to think outside the box, he aims to transform them into proactive contributors who feel empowered to suggest improvements and experiment with new ideas. This commitment to development resonates throughout the organization, cultivating a shared vision that everyone is part of something significant. As they embark on this transformative journey together, Rob ensures that each team member understands their role in driving the business's growth. The excitement in the air is palpable, and Rob feels a renewed sense of purpose as he leads his team into this promising future, igniting passion and creativity in each individual. With the momentum building within his team, Rob envisions regular brainstorming sessions where innovative ideas can flourish. He imagines a vibrant space filled with creativity, where every idea is welcomed and valued, setting the stage for breakthroughs that could redefine their e-commerce strategy. By creating a culture where experimentation is celebrated, he empowers his team to take risks, knowing that even failures can yield valuable lessons. As they explore uncharted territories together, Rob feels a deep commitment to foster not just skills, but an unwavering belief in their collective potential. With this renewed vision, Rob also recognizes the importance of integrating customer feedback into their processes. He anticipates regular check-ins with customers to gain insights into their experiences and expectations. By prioritizing these conversations, he envisions a feedback-oriented approach that not only enhances product development but also strengthens loyalty. As he contemplates implementing loyalty programs, he sees these as vital tools that encourage repeat business and deepen relationships. Rob imagines unique rewards that resonate with his customers' values, embedding his brand into their everyday lives. By aligning incentives with customer experiences, he is determined to create a sense of belonging that goes beyond mere transactions. This holistic engagement strategy is designed to empower his audience, allowing them to feel invested in the brand's journey as they evolve together in this electrifying new era of digital commerce. As Rob crafts this intricate tapestry of connection, he sees his e-commerce platform transforming into a vibrant community, where interactions are meaningful, and customers are not just passive recipients but active participants in shaping the brand narrative. The time ahead is ripe with potential, and Rob stands ready to harness it all, leading with inspiration and insight. As Rob immerses himself in this dynamic process, he starts to map out initiatives that bridge digital engagement with personal touchpoints. He envisions surprise and delight moments for his customers, where tailored experiences can foster a deeper emotional bond. By introducing handwritten notes or personalized discounts tied to significant dates, Rob believes he can turn casual buyers into loyal advocates. The prospect of seamlessly blending technology with heartfelt gestures invigorates him, as he prepares to redefine how relationships are formed in the e-commerce realm. In this exhilarating chapter of his journey, Rob stands confident, ready to embark on an adventure that will not only enhance his e-commerce platform but also redefine the essence of customer relationships. With his relentless dedication to innovation and community, he is set to lead his brand into a bright future filled with endless possibilities.